Essentially, there are two everything bundles, but which one is right for you? Let's break it down. To access every course, sample pack, and preset we release this year, this bundle is for you. Throughout the year, we'll be releasing new production courses, presets, samples, and style guide packs with exclusive templates that automatically get added to your bundle, constantly getting fresh resources to keep your sound evolving. If you want the ultimate producer experience, the Everything Bundle Collector's Edition is the way to go. Includes every course, preset pack, sample pack, and template ever released, plus every new release from this year. The Everything Bundles will guide you through the full production process and provide you with everything you'll ever need, right at your fingertips to produce release-ready tracks. Cut years of learning and start with professional sounds right away.